If you create content, run an online business, or manage many tasks every day, you know one thing, there is never enough time. Writing scripts, doing research, creating thumbnails, answering emails, planning marketing, it can feel overwhelming. So I decided to test something new in my real workflow. I used MuleRun AI for my actual content creation process. Not just testing for 5 minutes, I used it in real task for this channel. In this video, I will share my honest experience, what worked, what surprised me, and who I think this tool is best for. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the best tools to grow online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the special link from description. By using the description link, if there any discount or special offer available, that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's talk about the MuleRun. MuleRun is an AI super agent platform. That means it is not just one simple AI chatbot. It's designed to handle complex tasks using AI agents that can actually get work done, from content creation and marketing, research, design ideas, and automation. Instead of switching between many different tools, MuleRun works like one smart assistant that can manage multi-step tasks in a single chat. Now let me show you how to use it. Let's say I want to research for my next video for this channel. I will click on this chat. Now here I will just write about my next video. Let's say I want to make a video where I will talk about top 5 CRM tool in the market, because we make videos on this kind of thing on our channel. First of all, I will make a script for our channel, name Easy Access Tech. Video topic is about top 5 CRM tools. I want it start with topic intro, then channel intro, next go to the topic. I want updated information and write it in a way audience can get value from the video. Now let's hit the enter. You can see the agent started working. It will understand my question, the context, and my requirement. Then it will gather all of the information through the internet. Then it will give me the proper script. So let's give it some time. And here it is. So if you want, then you can just simply click on this download icon and you can download it to your local folder. You can see it gave me a hook, then channel intro, then specifically talked about the tool. And here you can see all the details, the 5 tool that the AI talked about in the script, and you can see, and it explained the price also. Obviously I am not going to use it word by word for my video script. Obviously I will modify according to my channel branding, our theme, and to make it more personalized, but it gave me a solid draft to make our script instead of writing the script from the scratch. So it saved a lot of time for me and I can make more videos in short time. So it helped me to improve our quantity of our channel's video without losing the quality or the value in the script. So I can use it for the research. Then I tried something advanced. Let's say I want to remove the watermark from a product. So let's run this agent. Now let's just upload the image. So after uploading the photo, you can see there is 2 options, elements removal and the manual adjustment. So I think elements removal, the automated one, that's also powerful. Now you can see there are some options you can select to give the better input to the MuleRun about your image. So it matches this style, and after that I will just click on generate. And here it is. So this was the original and here it is. So that much powerful it is. So MuleRun is not a magic, but it is practical. If you use it properly, it become a powerful assistant in real workflow. If you want to test AI agents that actually get work done instead of just chatting, MuleRun is worth to trying. So that's it basically for today's video, and there are more things you can use for, like it can be useful for content creation, education, marketing, design, live assistant, and much more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this honest review helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And if you decide to try MuleRun, check the link in the description. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.